Here we'd like to introduce the connection process and basic instructions for the Shawllar RV Inverter Charger. Firstly, let's take a look at the detailed specifications of this product. It supports a 3 kilowatts inverter power capacity and supports 12 volts battery supply. Compared to other inverters with similar power capacity, this model is notably lightweight, only 7 kilograms. Now, let's prepare for the connection. Start by loosening the screws of the battery plug cover. Then proceed to release the screws on the battery end. As these screws might be tightly fastened, we'll need a 13mm wrench. After the nuts are loosened, I'll initiate an inspection of the battery. Similarly, it's important to get ready for the initial connection by loosening the nuts. But before doing so, let's make sure to turn off the battery switch. Next, let's check the product setup status. AC input is used for connecting to the city's power grid, and output signifies the inverter output. Moving to the switches, the upper position is for lithium batteries, while the lower one is for lead-acid batteries, adjustable via the app for voltage control. Given that we're using lithium batteries, we should set the switch to the lithium battery position. The adjacent switch functions as the master switch. Simply turn it to off. Moving forward, let's proceed with the cable connections. Check the connections at the back for the battery. We need to connect the positive terminal red of the Shawllar Inverter Charger to the positive terminal red of the battery. The negative terminal black of the inverter charger should be connected to the negative terminal black of the battery. Given that this is a 3 kilowatts RV inverter charger, it's important to choose cables that are compatible. Please consult the user manual to select suitable cable configurations. After fastening the nuts, use a wrench to securely tighten them due to the substantial current involved. Be sure to tighten the nuts before usage, then proceed to turn on the battery switch. While connecting the cables, any of the 4 sides can be used for installation. However, it's advisable to avoid obstructing the air vent. Let's explore the functions of the Shawllar RV Inverter Charger. Charging function. To utilize the charging function, connect the mains plug to the city's power grid and turn on the switch of the inverter charger. This function converts the alternating current from the city's power grid into direct current to charge the battery. This eliminates the need to purchase a dedicated battery charger, saving costs. Load power supply from grid. When connected to the city's power grid, the system will automatically switch to supplying power to load using the alternating current from the city's power grid. Experience this: the load is powered by the alternating current from the city's power grid. If the city power grid experiences an outage, the product will switch to battery power within 10 milliseconds, ensuring uninterrupted power supply to your devices and preventing power interruptions. Inverting function. This function allows you to directly power your load using battery power. It converts the direct current from the battery into alternating current for load usage. It converts the direct current from the battery into alternating current for load usage. Monitoring and parameter adjustment. Throughout usage, you can use the app to monitor the inverter's operational status and adjust parameters as needed. The above steps cover the connection process and provide a concise guide to the usage of the Shawllar RV Inverter Charger. We hope this information proves helpful to everyone. Thank you.